This is our video of the 2007 Jeep Wrangler Sahara. It's sitting on a nearly brand new set of Goodyear tires. Very nice condition, does have the hard top. It's clean inside and out. I ride 113,000 miles on it. Good miles for an 07. We are Vallett Auto Sales. We're located in Nashville, Illinois. 861 North Mill Street. Phone number 618-327-3000. We do have competitive financing. If you've got a job and a good down payment, we can get you financed. 113,000 miles. Seats and all are super clean. I'm Vallett, Vallett Auto Sales, Nashville, Illinois. Thanks for checking out my video.